Have you ever noticed that your vision isn't quite as sharp as it used to be? Maybe street signs look a little blurrier at night, or reading a book requires stronger glasses than before. For many seniors, it's not just about the eyes getting older, it's about what's happening inside your body, especially with one powerful protein called collagen. Now here's a question. What if the same collagen that keeps your skin smooth and your joints flexible could also keep your eyes clearer and stronger? Most people never think about collagen and eye health in the same sentence, but once you understand the connection, you'll realize how a few simple snacks can help protect your vision naturally. Imagine enjoying a few bites of something delicious each day, a yogurt, a crunchy seed mix, or even a soft, chewy treat, and knowing you're feeding your eyes the nutrients they need to stay sharp, hydrated, and youthful. Sounds too simple to be true, right? But it's not. Scientists and doctors are now finding that collagen plays a critical role in maintaining the strength and transparency of your cornea, the flexibility of your eye lens, and even the blood vessels that nourish your retina. And here's something else that might surprise you. After age 45, your body produces about 1% less collagen every year. That might not sound like much, but over time, this slow decline leads to dryness, poor night vision, slower healing, and a gradual loss of clarity. The good news? You can boost your collagen naturally through smart, easy food choices. And in today's video, I'll share 8 collagen-rich snacks that not only taste amazing, but also support your vision from the inside out. Before we dive in, if you care about keeping your eyes strong and clear for years to come, make sure to subscribe to Senior Health Today, where we bring you natural, science-backed tips to protect your vision and your overall health every week. All right, let's get into it. Let's start with a little-known snack that's not only delicious but deeply restorative for your eyes, bone broth bites. You've probably heard of bone broth soup, but you can actually make or buy dehydrated versions that work as savory snacks. Bone broth is rich in collagen types I and the 3, the same types that make up your cornea and sclera, the white of your eye. Studies have shown that collagen peptides from bone broth help improve the structure of connective tissue, which in turn supports eye shape and nutrient flow. Many seniors who start adding a small cup or collagen chip a day report less eye strain and better moisture retention. Try sipping on a warm bone broth drink in the evening or enjoy a few dried bone broth crisps between meals. It's comfort and eye care in one. Next up, something sweet. Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries. Now this isn't just a treat, it's a collagen-building powerhouse. Greek yogurt provides amino acids like glycine and proline, both crucial for collagen synthesis, while chia seeds add omega-3s that help reduce inflammation around the retina. Blueberries, on the other hand, are rich in anthocyanins that improve blood flow to the eyes. Together they form a snack that not only helps your skin and joints, but also supports the fine network of blood vessels that feed your eyes. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Science found that people who consumed antioxidant-rich fruits with protein sources had significantly better eye moisture and less oxidative stress. Here's another surprising one: fish jerky. Many seniors love this because it's portable, high in protein, and naturally rich in glycine and lysine, both essential for collagen production. Fish like salmon and cod are packed with marine collagen, which is particularly effective for the eyes because it closely resembles the collagen in our cornea and retina. Marine collagen is also absorbed faster than other types. Think of it as a travel-friendly eye health booster. Just a few pieces a day can make a difference. Now you might be wondering, do plant-based eaters have collagen options too? Absolutely. One of the best is pumpkin seed and almond clusters. These 2 ingredients may not contain collagen directly, but they're full of zinc, vitamin E, and magnesium, all nutrients that trigger collagen production. Zinc, in particular, helps vitamin A move from the liver to the retina, where it produces melanin, the pigment that protects your eyes. Almonds also help prevent age-related macular degeneration thanks to their antioxidant power. You can make your own clusters by roasting pumpkin seeds and almonds with a drizzle of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon. It's a crunchy, sweet snack that nourishes your eyes and bones alike. Let's pause here for a quick reminder. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who cares about their eyesight too. It might help them more than you know. Next, let's talk about a snack that feels like dessert but works like eye medicine. Collagen-infused dark chocolate squares. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate that contains added collagen peptides is now available in many stores. Not only does it satisfy your sweet tooth, but it also delivers flavonoids that increase blood flow to the retina and improve visual contrast. Researchers from the University of the Incarnate Word School of Optometry found that dark chocolate improved visual acuity and contrast sensitivity just 2 hours after eating it. When paired with collagen, it's a double win. Pleasure and protection for your eyes. Moving on, one snack that's gaining popularity among health-conscious seniors is boiled egg with avocado slices. Eggs provide lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that act as natural sunglasses for your eyes, filtering out harmful blue light. Meanwhile, avocado adds healthy fats that help your body absorb those nutrients more efficiently. Together, they stimulate collagen synthesis and protect the macular region responsible for sharp vision. A simple boiled egg and half an avocado in the morning can do wonders for your eye clarity throughout the day. Here's another powerhouse combination: collagen smoothie pops. Imagine blending Greek yogurt, a scoop of hydrolyzed collagen powder, frozen mango, and a touch of turmeric. Pour it into molds, freeze, and you've got a refreshing treat that cools you down while rebuilding the delicate collagen fibers around your cornea. Turmeric adds curcumin, known to reduce inflammation that can cloud vision. Seniors who replace sugary desserts with these smoothie pops often notice their eyes feel less dry and strained by evening. Now we've already covered 6 snacks, but the last 2, coming up in part 2, are the most powerful collagen boosters for seniors who want not just clear vision, but stronger nerves and steadier balance as well. So stay tuned. In the next part, we'll reveal those final 2 collagen-rich snacks, explain how they restore clarity and focus, and share a simple daily routine that helps your eyes rebuild collagen faster, even as you age. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Senior Health Today for more trusted, research-backed advice to keep your eyes clear, your mind sharp, and your health strong, naturally. Now let's continue with the final 2 collagen-rich snacks, the ones that truly complete the circle of eye nourishment. These next foods don't just protect your vision. They also support your nerves, balance, and overall circulation, all deeply connected to how clearly you see the world each day. 7th on our list, homemade chicken collagen wraps. You may not realize it, but chicken skin and cartilage are among the richest natural sources of type 2 collagen. The same kind found in your eye's vitreous body, the gel-like substance that helps maintain eye shape and light transmission. As we age, that gel tends to shrink and liquefy, leading to floaters or blurred areas. Chicken collagen can help strengthen and maintain this structure. Here's a simple way to make it practical. Take soft chicken pieces from slow-cooked broth or roast, shred them and wrap them in lettuce leaves with sliced cucumber and a drizzle of olive oil. Not only does this snack give you protein and collagen, but the olive oil's healthy fats help your body absorb the amino acids more efficiently. Studies in the Journal of Ophthalmology have shown that collagen peptides can improve the structural integrity of the cornea and lens when combined with antioxidant fats, exactly what this snack provides. Now let's move to the 8th and final collagen snack, one that's deeply restorative and perfect for bedtime: collagen honey almond bites. You can make them by blending almond butter, a scoop of collagen powder, oats, a touch of honey, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Roll them into small balls and refrigerate. These bites are rich in glycine, a key amino acid your body uses to rebuild collagen overnight. Glycine also calms the nervous system, helping you sleep more deeply, which is when most eye repair takes place. Honey adds natural enzymes that support circulation to the retina, while almonds provide vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that slows age-related degeneration. When you combine these ingredients, you're not just snacking. You're giving your eyes a gentle repair session while you rest. Many seniors who eat these collagen bites before bed notice they wake up with less morning eye dryness and clearer focus. Now, before we wrap up the list, let's take a step back and understand why collagen is so essential for your vision, because this knowledge helps you make lasting changes. Think of your eye as a perfectly built structure made of tiny fibers, membranes, and clear fluids. Collagen acts as the scaffolding that keeps everything firm yet flexible, from your cornea in the front, to your lens in the middle, to the vitreous gel and retina at the back. When collagen weakens with age, your cornea can lose its smoothness. Your lens can harden, leading to cloudy vision or cataracts. And your retina can struggle to receive enough oxygen. That's why even small lifestyle shifts, like eating collagen-building snacks, can have such a big impact. You're literally reinforcing your eye's natural architecture from within. And unlike supplements alone, food-based collagen supports your whole system, your skin, your joints, your nerves, and yes, your eyes. Now, you might be asking, how long before I notice a difference? Most studies suggest that it takes about 8 to 12 weeks of consistent collagen intake to see measurable improvements. In fact, a study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that older adults who consumed hydrolyzed collagen daily for 2 months reported not only better skin elasticity but also improved ocular moisture and reduced eye fatigue. The body recognizes collagen as a building block, and when you feed it regularly, it starts rebuilding what time has worn down. Here's something else to keep in mind. Collagen doesn't work alone. It needs helpers. Vitamin C is one of the biggest. Without it, your body can't turn amino acids into usable collagen. So if you're eating these snacks, try adding a slice of orange, a few strawberries, or a squeeze of lemon into your meals. That small addition can multiply your collagen production naturally. Hydration also plays a key role. The collagen fibers in your eyes are like sponges. They need water to stay elastic and clear. Seniors who drink enough water throughout the day often notice their eyes feel more comfortable and less dry. Pairing your snacks with herbal teas like chamomile, hibiscus, or even collagen-enhanced green tea can further support hydration and antioxidant protection. Another thing that often gets overlooked is timing. The body repairs collagen best at night. That's why bedtime snacks like the honey almond bites or a cup of bone broth can be so effective. When you sleep, your body focuses on repair instead of digestion, making it the ideal time to rebuild the delicate collagen fibers that protect your vision. Now let's put all of this together into a simple, daily routine that's easy to remember. In the morning, start your day with Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and berries for a collagen kick with antioxidants. As a midday snack, have fish jerky or chicken wraps for protein and amino acids. In the afternoon, enjoy a piece of dark chocolate with collagen to improve circulation to your eyes. And before bed, relax with collagen honey almond bites or a small cup of bone broth. That's 4 small, enjoyable habits that can add up to real results over time. You don't have to overhaul your diet or spend a fortune on supplements. Just use food as your body's natural repair tool, and let collagen quietly rebuild your eyes day by day. Here's a real-life story shared by one of our Senior Health Today viewers. Mary, age 67, from Arizona. She began adding collagen snacks like yogurt with berries and bone broth in the evenings. After about 2 months, she noticed she no longer woke up with gritty, dry eyes. Her night driving became easier, and her optometrist even commented that her corneas looked healthier. That's the kind of quiet transformation we love to see. Proof that small daily choices can create lasting change. So if you've been feeling frustrated with blurry vision, dry eyes, or general strain, remember, your eyes still have the power to heal. Collagen is like the glue that holds your eye structure together. Feed it wisely, and it will reward you with clarity and comfort. And as always, thank you for watching this video and being part of our Senior Health Today family. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to help us reach more seniors who deserve to see life clearly again. Your eyes are your windows to every beautiful memory you've ever made. Treat them kindly, nourish them naturally, and they'll keep showing you the world in all its brightness and color for years to come. Thank you again for watching. And remember, your vision can stay clear, strong, and full of life at any age when you give it the care it truly deserves.